maybe, Mr. President, it is right time for us, while we are having a session, to cite in contempt these individuals trying to prevent Senator Bato de la Rosa from reporting for work to do his job as elected Senator of the Republic of the Philippines.
Ayun. Ayun si Sen Bato. Yung kalbo, si Sen Bato yun. Oh, ang bilis tumakbo ni Sen Bato. Ay yung mga taga-NBI, oh. Ayun, oh, yun na meron siyang ano dito, meron siyang buds. Meron siyang buds. Si Sen Bato. Oh, naku, halos madapa-dapa pa si Sen Bato. Hinahabol talaga siya ng mga merong buds. Ayan, oh, yun, oh. Kaso puro matataba yung mahabol kaya nahirapan sila. Yan hong napanood nyo na yan, ang actual na tangkang pag-aresto ng NBI dito kay Senator Bato de la Rosa sa loob mismo ng Senado. Kung sakali ho, yan ho ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon na mayroong maaarestong senador sa loob mismo ng Senado. Kaso ho mga kababayan, hindi ho nila kinaya ang lakas nitong si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Itong sila ate, pakanta-kanta lang dito, di nila alam na mayroong mangyayaring malaking kaguluhan. Dito sa video na to, panunuurin din ho natin ang pagtayo nitong si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, ika nga para palitan na itong si Tuta Soto. Pero bago lahat ng yan, isang like at isang subscribe. Masaya na ho tayo dyan at sa mga gusto sumali sa ating community, yung join button, nandyan lang ho sa baba. Eto na, rekta na ho tayo dito sa nangyaring kaguluhan ngayong araw na to dyan sa Senado. Game! Yaw! Hey! Walang mga ano natin tong sila ate. Mahusay yung performance. Highest level. Ayun. Sila papalakpakan. Oh. Ito si Pink, akala niya siya pa Blue Ribbon. Hindi na. Senator Rodante Marcoleta na palakpakan. Nako po, pasulat-sulat ka pa. Anak ng toko, mag-imbestiga ka kasi. Yan tuloy, tinanggal kayo. Puro kasi kayo mga sintu-sintu dyan eh. Oh. Yan na, ano na. Tapos na ang kantahan. Palitan na. Pambihirang yan.
Secretary will please call the roll.
Naku, kinakabahan na tong si
Roll call
Tuta.
of
Oh.
members. Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go, Senator Hontiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapid, Senator Ligarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Tulfo Erwin,
Yan na, yan na.
Senator Tulfo Rafi,
Senator pa to.
Senator Villanueva,
Nako, sa
Senator
tingin ko,
Villar-
dyan sa tagpo na yan talagang
Camille,
tumatakbo si
Senator
Senator.
Garmar, Senator Subiri. The Senate President is present.
Oh. Tatakbuhan
With
sila dyan.
23 senators present, the chair declares the presence of a quorum.
Yan, quorum.
Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. Oh, sorry. Then,
Yan na.
Senator Alan Cayetano is recognized.
Mr.
Nako, yan
President,
na.
first and foremost, I'd like to thank God for the opportunity to serve with all of you. And it's a distinct privilege to serve
Si Tuta Soto, akala niya ano lang sasabihin nitong si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. May boto na ho siya. Palakpakan ho mga kababayan. SP Alan Peter Cayetano.
with the
Napakainam.
Senate President. You've always been a statesman, at least to me. And I believe even in the bills that we disagree. And when I was majority leader, you were minority leader. When you were minority leader, when you were the majority leader, I was the minority leader. I had the privilege to work with you when you were Senate President and I was Speaker. We disagreed, but we found a way to disagree in private and then work together for the country. So I really admire your statement yesterday saying that you serve at the pleasure of the body. So may I manifest and that there are now at least 13 members of the Senate who wish to have a leadership change, and that Senator Bato de la Rosa is in the building and will be here in a minute. So may I kindly inform and apologize to the Senate President that for security reasons, I could not go up to you earlier to ask you and tell you this, but had to inform you this way. but I give you all my respect and ask for an orderly transition in accordance with our rule, Mr. President. Thank you.
What does the majority leader say?
Mr. President, I move to suspend for 1 minute.
Session suspended.
Bakante na. Bakante na. Leadership change na. O, poso muna natin. Ayoko kasi pinaghihintay mga kasama natin dito sa PH Update. Gusto ko, pagka merong post na ganyan, suspend. Ayokong sinususpend yung mga kasama natin dito. Pinoposo natin yan. At atin nung pinapass forward. Ayan. Para di naghihintay yung mga
The
kasama
minority
natin.
leader.
To Senator Joel, who will make a motion, Mr. President.
Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Mr. President, may I be allowed to humbly move to declare all seats vacant, Mr. President?
Yun. Ayos. Bakante na.
What does the majority leader say? There is a motion to declare all positions vacant in the Senate.
Mr. President, under our rules that takes precedence, we'll have to vote on it. We'll ask for a roll call vote for the motion of Senator Joel Villanueva.
So a roll call vote is in order. The secretary will conduct a roll call. Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized.
Wala na.
Before-
Baba ka na dyan, Brad.
Because once we start the vote, we cannot recognize
Yes,
anyone.
Mr. President. Just a clarification as to seats or positions. Are we speaking of all positions?
All. All na siyempre, all.
Motion is all.
Lahat ng pati chairmanship mo dapat tanggal yan. Anak ng toka, mga wala kayong kwenta.
All positions vacant by
Which positions? Just for the
All.
record.
Si Raulo ka ba? Hindi ka pa nakakaintindi. Haki ko Pangilinan. Langyakan, lumuluwa na lang yung mata mo. Ang hirap mo pa umintindi. All nga, all. Raulo.
All positions
All
of
na.
elected of the leadership.
All position.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Lumuluwa na lang mata mo. Buti pa, punta mo si Sharon, diligan mo picture niya. Di ba mahilig kayo magtanong ng picture, kayong dalawang mag-asawa? Punta mo siya, magdilig kayo ng picture. Yung mga tanim ng picture, diligin mo. Kaya ka.
All right,
Hirap
the
umintindi,
secretary will conduct a roll call vote. The motion is to declare all positions vacant. A vote in agreement is a yes, and a no for the other side. You go ahead.
Roll call of members. Honorable Senator Aquino,
No.
Senator Cayetano Alan,
Yes.
Senator Cayetano Pia,
Yes.
Senator De La Rosa,
Yes.
Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero,
Yes.
Senator Estrada,
Yes.
Senator Gatchalian,
No.
Excuse me. We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your vote.
yes sir. Yes, sir.
Ulitin mo.
Ulitin mo.
Roll call of
Namamagasa pa na hindi mabakante yung chairmanship ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Ulitin mo. Galit na si Tuta Soto eh. Ulitin mo.
member. Senator Aquino,
No.
Senator Cayetano Alan,
Yes.
Senator Cayetano Pia,
Yes.
Senator De La Rosa,
Yes. Dalawang kamay.
Senator Ejercito,
Yes. Alam ko.
Senator
No yan.
Escudero,
What?
Yes.
Abstain.
Abstain.
Senator
Okay.
Estrada,
Yes.
Senator Gatchalian,
No.
Senator Go,
Alam ho natin yan, syempre, si Gatchalian, DPWH, DSW, di ba naman yung si Rex Gatchalian? Alam ka na mag-guess yan. Si Raulo ba yan si Win Gatchalian?
Senator Hontiveros,
No.
Senator Lacson,
No.
Senator Lapid,
No.
Senator Ligarda,
Yes.
Senator Marcoleta,
Ba't ka pa magpo-pro tempore? Ito si Ligarda, paano eh? Pa-virgin eh. Gugusto ka rin pala. Pakiipot ka pa. Nangyari din eh. Di ba nasusulat eh. Magiging pro tempore ka. Yan ang sinasabi ko, madam. Aayon ka kay Tuta Soto tapos hinihiwa ng maliliit yung anak mo. Palakpakan kita dyan. Yes.
Senator Marcos,
Yes. Alam nga naman magno si Senator Dante Marcoleta, siya nga magbo-Blue Ribbon Committee
Senator
chairperson.
Padilla.
Yes.
Senator Pangilinan,
No.
Senator Tulfo Erwin,
No!
Senator Tulfo Rafi,
No!
Senator Villanueva,
Yes. Gusto maging president at vice president ng tulpo na yun, kaya hindi na tanong yan, di ba?
Senator Villar Camille,
Yes.
Senator Villar Mark,
Yes.
Senator Subiri, Senate President
No.
Soto.
Hindi, ano naman yun, at yung si majority leader, siyempre, alam na mag-yes siya dyan, di parang mukha siya si Raulo, di ba?
No.
Kompleto na. Painintay natin. Tayo ka na dyan, umalis ka na. Nga ka, ano pa ginagawa mo dyan? Uy, tayo. Uwi. 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 Uwi ka na kay Frag. Kay Lisa, magsumbong ka. Iyak ka doon. Uy, tuta sa to.
Yeah. Ano?
Punta ka. Punta kay Lisa Raneta Marcos, iyak ka doon. Sabi mo, tinanggal ako. Madam, tinanggal ako. Paano na yan? Mabubulgar na yung mga sekretong malupit. Kompleto na. Vacant ang mga posisyon. Oh.
With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
Vacant. Oh, edi vacant. Oh.
With that, Mr. President,
Tayo
may
ka
I
na dyan,
move,
uwi ka na.
Therefore,
Tuta, punta ka na kay Lisa, magsumbong ka, umiyak ka doon sa Malacanang. Sabi mo, pinaalis ako, ayaw na ako, hindi na natin kontrolado, Senado. Paano na impeachment ni Sara, magpipresidente siya noong 2028, makukulong tayong lahat. Hype na hype si PH Update. Ano bang iniinom mo PH Update? Eh siyempre, ano pa nga ba, di kape. Pag nakakape si PH Update, ika nga, solido yan. Pero pagka matamlay si PH Update, ibig sabihin, ng kape. Dati hindi tayo nagkakape. Kasi pag nagkakape tayo, nagpapalpitate tayo. Siguro nagsawa na yung kape sa atin sa kakapalpitate. Kaya ngayon wala na. Hype na lang pagka...
to nominate
Kapil.
Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as the new Senate President.
Yan. Oh. New Senate President. Oo.
Are you designating me as the presiding officer? Because I am the position is already vacant. I think you must elect somebody to take the position. I am no longer the presiding officer. So you designate a presiding officer. In the meantime, I
Yes,
suspend session.
Nagmaktol si Escalera. Upunta na Malacanang, punta kay Elisa, iyak kayo dyan. Oh, paano yung mamanipulahin pa? Paano yung patatrabahuin yan? Bukas maghihirang kami sa Blue Ribbon. Ano ba? Teka lang, nag-ano na naman nag-suspend Ayoko pinaghihintay mga kasama natin dito. Yun. Oh.
Yes, with the
Nako,
session...
Sen Jinggoy ingat. Kung dati mainit kayo dyan, lalo kayong magiging mainit ngayon dyan sa ombudsman. Okay? Naiintindihan namin yung laro sa politika. Pero doon sa mga mananatiling tapat sa sambayan ng Pilipino, ang ating respeto ay sukdulan, higa nga. Diba? Kaya tingnan natin kung sino yung mga papalipit, babalingbing, pupunta sa ilalim, kaliwat, kanan, side by side. Diba?
Assumed, may I herewith move and nominate Senator Jinggoy Estrada as the temporary presiding officer.
Any objection? There being none, the motion of Senator Amy Marcos is hereby approved.
Ano yan? Na-miss ko yan. Na-miss ko yung nakikita kitang pukpuk-pukpuk na martilyo dyan. Diba? Miss ko yan. Miss yan, miss.
Please proceed.
Proceed.
Mr. President, may we also nominate Senator Joel as the temporary or acting majority leader?
Yeah.
There is a
acting.
motion by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano that Senator Joel Villanueva be made an acting majority floor leader. Is there any objection? There being none, the motion is approved.
Mr. President, there was a nomination by Senator Amy Marcos to elect Senator Alan Peter Cayetano to be our Senate President. And I don't think, Mr. President, that there's no objection, Mr. President. And so I move that we close the period of nomination, Mr. President.
Is there an objection? There being none, the period, yes, is that an objection, Senator Pangilinan?
We do not object because we do not have the numbers, but we would like to manifest our serious reservations, Mr. President, for the record.
Noted, Senator Pangilinan. There is a pending motion by Senator Villanueva to close the period of nomination. Is there any objection? There being none, motion is hereby approved. Majority Leader.
May we ask, Mr. President, the newly elected Senate President to take his oath, Mr. President,
Yan, mag-o-oath na si Sen
and
Alan.
suspend the
Siyempre,
session.
Session is hereby suspended.
Suspend na naman. Teka lang ayokong pinaghihintay mga kasama natin dito. Suspend na naman. Di na lang kaya dire-diretso. Tuloy. Suspend.
Mr. President, at this juncture, I move that we reconsider the closing of the nomination of the Senate President, Mr. President, and
Kasi etong nakikita kong senaryo dito Pagka hindi pa tinapos, hindi pa pumalagang Senado sa mga kabuktutan na gusto mangyari ng Malacanang at talagang nagwagi itong mga walang yang to, yung mga siraulo sa Malacanang, sa House of Representatives, dito sa gusto nilang mangyari kay VP Sara at pag control sa House of Representatives at ganun din naman gusto nilang mangyari dyan sa Senado, wala na ho talaga. Lahat na lang sila itatakutin na lang dyan mula kay Jingo Estrada, Joel Villanueva. Ito kahit na alam naman natin na mangyayari darating na tatakutin ho talaga sila. Pag umabot na sa punto na magbobotohan na dyan sa impeachment ni VP Sara, kung i-impeach siya, makakwit siya o makakonvict siya. Ngayon, dito ho, kumbaga, gumuhit na ng linya ang Senado kung hanggang saan nga ba ngayong mga panahon na to pwedeng makialam yung mga siraulo sa Malacanang. Ngayong mga panahon na to. Kasi napaka-ano ho niyan napaka-volatile yan ng mga kaganapan sa Senado. Senate President ka ngayon, maya-maya hindi ka na. Ganun lang naman ho ito mga kababayan. Ngayon, hindi naman maaari nakakaupo pa lang ni Senator Alan, maya-maya magpapalitan na naman. Mukha na ho silang mga siraulo dyan at talagang baka wala na ho maniwala sa mga ginagawa nila dyan kung maya nagpapalit sila. Kumbaga yung madudunguisyan ba? Ngayon kasi kung magkakaroon ng palitan, talagang valid kasi napakatagal na yan Tsaka kita nyo naman ho yung paghihintay ng sambayan ng Pilipino dyan lamang ho sa pagdinig sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Linalaro ho nila yung mga naratibo kung saan tatakbo. Isa hindi lang ho yung impeachment. Yan ho talaga ang isa sa mga driving force kung bakit napalitan niya ang leadership sa Senado. Yung Blue Ribbon Committee na yan. Dahil pinagtatawan na lang ho ng sambayan ng Pilipino ngayon yung institusyon na yan dahil sa mga kabalbalan itong si Ping Lacson at itong si Tuta Soto.
And we'd like to give the floor to Senator Ping Lacson. So move, Mr. President.
Yan si Pinky. Oh.
We first have to act on the motion by Senator Joel. Is there any objection? There being none, motion is approved. Senator Lacson is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. I move to nominate Senator Vicente Soto III to the position of Senate President. So move, Mr. President.
Is there any
Baka na ka
objection?
ba? Oh.
There being none,
Ayaw pa palang bitawan.
the
May bilang.
uh,
Ang tanong may bilang.
okay, we now proceed with the voting.
Dalawa na. There are two nominations,
There are
Mr.
two
President. What we will do now
candidates
is
for
conduct the
Senate
voting,
presidency.
Mr. President.
One is Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and the other is Senator Tito Soto. Okay.
Pwede na, mag-vote.
Pursuant to Section 2 of the Rules of the Senate, we will now proceed with the roll call vote. Secretary, please.
Dito na
Roll call
papasok
of
si
members.
Senator.
Senator Aquino,
Oh.
Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia,
Senator Soto.
Senator De La Rosa, Senator Escudero, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada,
Cayetano.
Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator Gatchalian, Senator Go,
Wala, palit.
Senator Hontiveros,
Naglaban ho pala talaga.
Senator Lacson, Senator Lapid, Senator Legarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan,
Soto,
Senator
syempre.
Tulfo Erwin,
Soto.
Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camil, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Subiri,
I would like to be an independent member of the Senate.
What is your vote, Senator Subiri? Abstention.
Senator Soto III,
Cayetano.
Siguro ano na yon. Kumbaga, tradition na yung mga dalawang naglalaban, boboto nila yung mga kalaban nila, no? Kasi si Cayetano, binoto si Alan. Si Cayetano, binoto si Soto. Si Soto, binoto si Cayetano. Ganun pala o yun. Meron pala sila ganung kaek-ek.
May we get the results, please? $13.92. 13.92.
13.
With,
13 pabor kay Senator Alan, 9 kay Soto, 2 abstain.
13 votes for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and 9 votes for Senator Tito Soto and 2 abstention. Senator Cayetano is hereby elected as the new Senate President.
Uy, palakpakan tayo. Ano po yan?
Session suspended.
Palakpakan tayo. Siyempre palakpakan tayo dyan. Suspended na naman. Post. Yun, Ito kasing bahagi na to, hindi na ipinakita yung mga nangyaring komusyon. Ito ay nakaupo na si Sen Bato, nakasettle na siya dyan sa Senado. Kaya pinakita natin dun sa unang video natin yung nangyaring bakbakan. Dito, yung mangyayaring hapulan.
We call on Senator Camille Villar to administer the oath to the newly elected Senate President, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano.
Busy Busy Malacanang sa sa ASEAN. Yan tuloy. Senate President si Alan. Sen Alan, congrats congrats. Congrats kay Sen Alan. Diba? SP Alan. SP Alan.
Oath of office. I state your full name.
I, Alan Peter Shram Cayetano,
Having been elected to the position of Senate President,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my
Congratulations,
ability,
Sen Alan.
the
Deserve mo
duties
yan,
of my
deserve mo.
present position,
the duties of my present position,
and of all others I may hereafter hold,
and of all others I may hereafter hold,
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will uphold and support, that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the
to
Philippines,
the Republic of the Philippines,
and that I impose this obligation
and that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily,
upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Ay, CCTV footage na ba tayo? CCTV footage na ho siguro tayo dito sa bahagi ng video natin na to. Dito ko tayo kasi Alan.
For I know the plans I have for you,
Yan ang gusto
plans
ko.
to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in a future. Yan po ang nasa Jeremiah 29:11 na naging isa sa core na paniniwala ng aking pagkatao at pananampalataya. Gusto ko po si Propetang Jeremiah dahil siya po ay nirerespeto at pinaniniwalaan ng Muslim, Hudyo at Kristiyano. Sa mundo ngayon na in crisis, buong mundo na in crisis because of the US-Iran-Israel war, napakahirap minsan paniwalaan na may magandang plano. But I'm always reminded that though people may be liars, God never lies. Though we may be weak, He is strong. But we are reminded that if He has a plan, we have to do the right thing. So let me be explicit. Our job together, my job, is to serve you, dear senators, to serve this nation, to serve God above all, and to do what is right. Napakahirap kung tutuusin po ang dinadaanan ng henerasyon na to. Kagabi po, kausap ko po ang pamangkin ni Senator Jinggoy, anak po ni Jackie, si Manu. Nakita po niya ako ng 2006 or 2007 or 2008 nung binisita ko ang kanyang lolo. At sabi ko sa kanya, grabe pala pinagdaanan ng generation nyo. During Duterte's time, depending on your lens, it was a human rights crisis. If you're pro-Duterte, it's a crisis of drugs, where illegal drugs did not only steal lives, did not only steal dreams, but it wrecked communities. It wrecked our government. Of course, if you are from the anti-Duterte lens, the human rights crisis was in the extrajudicial killings. But after enjoying almost 9 years of unprecedented economic prosperity during the Aquino time to the Duterte time, inabot po tayo ng pandemic. So from the human rights crisis to a health pandemic crisis. Naglilift pa lang ang COVID, nangyari na po ang Ukraine-Russia conflict. Sa mundo na mga kabataan na to ay naniniwalang hindi na posible ang World War III, ay suddenly may major conflict in the West. And then you fast forward, the crisis of the Philippines when it comes to corruption and flood control. The biggest corruption scandal in our country. Hindi pa ho tapos yan, nangyari yung Iran, US, Israel. And then, our young people have to face the prospect of a changing world through AI. And while we are worrying, leaders around the world in Canada, India, US, Australia are excited of AI. They said that it will bring in a new wave of millionaires, billionaires. It will bring in high-quality jobs. Pero tayo po ba'y naghahanda na? We might not feel the crisis here in the session hall, but our people, may it be the Grab drivers, the tricycle drivers, jeepney drivers, yung maliliit na kalendarya, yung mga beneficiaries ng 4Ps, ramdam na nila. So nung kinamayan po ako ng former Senate President Subiri, sabi niya, hindi siya naiinggit sa trabaho dahil mahirap po ito. But I take a step forward, my dear colleagues, and offer myself to serve you. Just as Senate President Soto said, that he is here to serve everyone, not only the majority, not only the minority. I am here to respect the President, the office of the President, the Vice President, the office of the Vice President, the House of Representatives,
Yan ang hindi ginawa ni Soto.
and each one of you. In every crisis, there are big winners and there are big losers.
Correct.
Unfortunately,
Totoo
it
yan.
is the poorest of the poor who is always the losers. So I urge all of you, let's unite, let's discuss, Before us might be the impeachment. Let it make it very clear. May mga lumabas sa news and hindi ko kayo sinisisi kung sinasabi niyo sa news na ang pagpalit ng leadership ay tungkol sa impeachment. Hindi po. The impeachment is enshrined in the Constitution. The Bible says, the truth shall set us free.
Correct. Yan.
We want to be free from poverty. We want to be free from corruption. We want to be free from a government that is busy
Masaya tayo.
fighting.
Masaya tayo dahil ganyan ang tono ng ating bagong Senate President. Hindi siya hawak sa leeg ng mga taga-Malacanang, hindi siya nakinabang sa flood control kickback, hindi siya direktang nakinabang bilang kandidato ng mga taga-alyansa ng mga magnanakaw nung nagdaang eleksyon. Kaya tayo makakaasa na panigurado ang gagawin nitong mama na to talagang kung anong makakabuti sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Palakpakan natin itong si Sen Alan. Gusto ko yung tono ng pag-ano niya kumbaga napaka-inclusive ng kanyang speech, no? Hindi yung masyadong yung tipong masyadong napaghahalata na aso sila ng mga taga-Malacanang, di ba? Kagaya nito si Tuta Soto. Bata ho siya di ba?
Its own people or the people fighting each other. Hindi to Facebook, hindi to social media na pwedeng bawat minuto may nagbabanatan. In real life, in the non-digital life, we have to be here for each other.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean anything if we say we're devout Muslims or we're devout Catholics or devout evangelicals if we cannot love each other. In the Senate, we might not like each other, but I think we can work each other and we can love each other. So let me make it clear. The impeachment will be much, much more than dismissing a complaint because of political affiliation. And it's also much, much more than convicting someone without evidence. Parehong hindi pwede yun. Kailangan guided tayo by the truth, guided by evidence. But the process is as important as the result. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin, she or he will make a bad president. Or wala na tayong maasahan dyan sa presidente, wala na tayong maasahan sa vice president, impeach na lang natin. Hindi po. The Senate is also on trial. So, dear colleagues, as we ask God to guide us and help us, I'd like to thank all of you who supported me today. I will do my job. But I'd also like to reach out to all my colleagues here today. Ngayon lang naman po tayo na may divisions dahil mabigat ang politika. Pero actually, we've worked together. And if we could only go back 20 years and then go back now, can we go to 20 years from now? And let me tell you what I told the group last night nung nag-meeting kami. Basta't lahat ng gagawin natin, huwag tayong magsisisi. Huwag tayong gagawa ng pagsisisihan natin. So feel free to call me out if you think mali ang direction. So dear colleagues, again, thank you. God bless you. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Palakpakan natin si Sen Alan. Punta na tayo doon sa CCTV footage, yung actual na CCTV footage. Ayan. Yung. Ito na to. Oh. Ito na to Oh.
So if the audio-video room, if the technical aspect is ready, please play the CCTV footage of Senator Bato's arrival today.
Ayan ay grabe nagtakbuhan pala sila. Hindi ka nakapokus PH, hindi ka nakapokus. Ulitin natin. Hindi ka nakapokus PH. Grabe. Ano ba yan? Hindi ka nakapokus. Oh. Ayan oh. Yan yung actual eh. Oh. Ayan oh, takbuhan sila oh. Grabe naman yan. Ayun. Ayun si Sen Bato. Yung kalbo, si Sen Bato yun. Oh, ang bilis tumakbo ni Sen Bato. Ayun yung mga taga-NBI oh. Ayun oh, yun na meron siyang ano dito, meron siyang badge. Meron siyang badge. Si Sen Bato. Oh, naku, halos madapa-dapa pa si Sen Bato. Hinahabol talaga siya ng mga merong badge. Ayan oh, yun oh. Kaso puro matataba yung mahabol kaya nahirapan sila. Dapat nagpadala itong si Matibag dyan na may medyo pit-pit, di ba? O, yan o. O, siya na to. O, naku, nadapa pa si Sen Bato. Sen, bilis. Nandyan na yung mga mga zombie. O, parang zombie apocalypse. O, merong ano to, merong badge. Itong mataba na merong badge. O, yan. Yan. O, yun, itong pumasok na to, may badge. May badge din to. Mga taga-NBI nga. Dapat makulong yung mga yan. Mga walang yan, ha? O, eto na. O, Sen Bato, ang bilis tumakbo ni Sen Bato. Saludo, Sen Bato, ha? O, ayos. Naku. O, yun. Taga-NBI to. Ito, yun. Merong badge eh. Merong badge dito sa, sa dibdib. O. Yan ang actual footage. Di ba? Sabihin na naman, wala naman actual footage. Good time muna naman kami. Actual footage yan. Oh. Actual footage yan. Di ba? Oh, contempt kayo ngayon. Mga walang hiya kayo. Oh, yan oh. Oh, stop siguro ni Sen Bato yun. Yung may dalang maliit na suitcase. Oh, ito na, mga taga-NBI na to. Yan oh. Ayan, ID yun, ID. Ayan. Ayan na. O yan, mga taga-NBI siguro itong mga to. Oh. Mali yan eh. Nasa loob kayo ng Senado para kayong mga siraulo. Hindi nyo na rinespeto yung institusyon. Ayan oh. Oh. Hindi, sara nyo yan. Anong ginagawa ng Sergeant at Arms? Nagkakagulo sa Senado. Ayan oh. Nagkakagulo eh. Mali yan. O si Ate Marites lang. Talagang, yan ang galing ng mga Pilipino, di ba? Pagdating sa Marites, anak ng toko hindi ko alam, mamarites ako dyan. Kahit sa pagkain ako, yun Mga walang yang to, talagang pinagpilitan nila eh, nagkaroon tuloy na sakitan. Yun eh. May makukontempt dito. Sure ball, may contempt dito. May makukulong dito sa isa na to. Dapat lang may makulong. Ayan. Mga taga-NBI anong pinaggagawa nyo? Yan walang cut. Uncut tayo dyan, uncut. Buo-buo tayo, buo-buo. Yun na ba yun?
The chair will recognize Senator Marcoleta who
Ayan,
had the
Sen.
floor before
Dapat makontempt yung mga
our
yun.
colleagues suggested that we watch for ourselves. So we will be asking the OSA to identify who among those who were chasing Senator Bato were NBI agents.
Yan. Sergeant at Arms.
Mr. President, we have seen it all. I think this is the best evidence that can prove that the good senator, our colleague in this institution, is being chased by authorities. I'm not sure where they got the authority to chase him, and incidentally, I think he's about to be captured by them for purposes of serving him or rendering him or even surrendering him to the ICC. I'd like to ask, Mr. President, what is the authority of the National Bureau of Investigation in executing, for example, even if for the sake of an argument that the ICC issued a
Dapat ang ikulong si Melvin Matibag.
warrant of arrest against Senator Bato?
Dapat si
As far
Matibag
as I
ang
know,
makulong.
Mr. President, the counterpart of the Interpol, which is the serving arm of the ICC in executing warrants, the Interpol's counterpart in this country is PCTC, which is the Philippine Center for Transnational Crimes. And I check that it is now under, it used to be under the Office of the President and under the control and supervision of the NAPOLCOM. But I think it's now under the control of the DILG. So my question is, how come that the NBI is chasing Senator Bato for an apparent warrant of arrest, which the former Senator Trillanes has been showing around that he got a warrant of arrest and he is personally serving it to the senator? The first question is former Senator Trillanes now the sheriff of the ICC? And he has been working with the Interpol, Mr. President. This is all questionable. As I said earlier, Mr. President, this is not only an assault to our colleague, but principally it is an assault, an insult to this institution. Hindi natin pwedeng palampasin ito, Mr. President. We need to protect the senator. As I said earlier, and I manifested that Trillanes himself was a beneficiary of this institution's security. Humingi po siya ng Senate Protective Custody nung panahon na kinailangan niya po ito. Ngayon, ironically, he's the one executing the very act which prevented him from being assaulted at the time. Masyado pong nakakabahala na ang nangyayari, Mr. President. I think all these people, I think we can identify all these people in due time. They did not only violate Article 145 of the revised penal code, as I earlier manifested. Former Senator Trillanes is even guilty of usurping authority, Mr. President. Hindi natin pwedeng palampasin po ito. In the meantime, I'd like to move, Mr. President, that in the light of the recent adoption of the Senate Resolution number 44, I move that Senator Bato be placed under the Senate Protective Custody, Mr. President, until he is able to get all and exhaust all legal remedies to protect himself, and until this institution is also able to do just the same. Mr. President, Article 59 of Rome Statute is very, very clear. It's very, very clear. Even for the sake of an argument that there is a valid warrant of arrest against our colleague, Article 59 still states that
the arresting, the person to be arrested must be promptly delivered to a competent judicial authority in order to accomplish at least three things. Number one, to identify or to ascertain the identity of the person being arrested. Number two, whether the processes, the legal processes have been observed. And number three, whether or not his rights were protected. This is very, very important for purposes of protecting the due process and the rule of law, which our colleague can avail, Mr. President.
The motion is consistent with our rules, is consistent with Senate Resolution number 44, is consistent with precedence. So is there any objection? If not, the motion is carried.
Mr. President,
So consistent with past practices, no? Senator Bato will enjoy the protection of the law and the protection of the Senate in accordance with our rules and with Philippine laws. No?
thank you. Mr. President, may I have the floor, Mr. President?
Yes, Majority Leader.
Mr. President, as I was looking and watching the CCTV, Mr. President, I recall, Mr. President, every time we have a committee hearing, any member of the Senate would move to cite in contempt someone who is lying, Mr. President. So my position, Mr. President, looking at what happened to our dear colleague, and I'm gonna do this, Mr. President, whether you are in majority or minority, you are an elected official, Mr. President. And for someone, especially coming from a different agency of the government, trying to do something like that in violation of Article 147, Chapter 2 of our revised penal code, Mr. President. Maybe, Mr. President, it is right time for us, while we are having a session, to cite in contempt these individuals trying to prevent Senator Bato de la Rosa from reporting for work to do his job as elected senator of the Republic of the Philippines. So, Mr. President, if it is a proper motion, and I would leave this to the body, that we cite in contempt these individuals, Mr. President, that would be identified in this particular video,
Yan. Hindi na sila makakalabas dyan.
trying to prohibit Senator Bato de la Rosa from doing his job, Mr. President.
Yes.
I submit, Mr. President, to the wisdom of the
Is there any objection to
majority.
holding the John and Jane Does, who will be laterly identified in accordance with the CCTV, to hold them in contempt of Senate?
Then,
the Senate?
Mr. President, I was suggesting, Mr. President, and if you are, if the body is amenable to that, I will move, Mr. President, that we cite them in contempt. Because, Mr. President,
Well, because you made that manifestation, Majority Leader, let me say this, not as Senate President, but as a member of the Philippine Bar and as a humble servant of our people as a senator, each legislative body has to defend.
Galawang sindikato eh. Ibang klase. Galawang sindikato ho yung ginawa na yon ng NBI. Nasa iba ordinaryong bahay, pinasok nyo, tapos walang warrant to, pares gusto nyo, dakpin si Senator Bato. Galaw.
Defend itself, especially versus existential threats. when we only have 24 senators and in certain votes you need 13, and we will allow that in our premises without the proper coordination nor without the proper due process, ay pwede mong habulin na lang at hagurin yung isang senator, what can be more existential than that? There might be some reservations, but medyo ang tono pa lang sa hearings ay parang may kabastusan. Hino-hold na natin in contempt eh. And for the record, when Senator Bato was chased by these agents, we were already in session. I was already standing in the podium at the side and already was making that motion. So even out of courtesy, regardless of their coordination, kung meron man o wala dito, hindi dapat hinabol si Senator. Dapat pumunta sila dito sa taas. Nakipag-usap sila. Gwardiyahin nila lahat ng pinto. Pero hindi dapat makipaghabulan sa kahit sinong senador dito sa loob. So it is really the pleasure of the body. But if we do not take a hard stance regarding that, do not regret or do not ask ourselves why, tomorrow baka may checkpoint na malapit sa bahay natin at huhulihin na tayo. Because my understanding of parliamentary immunity goes to the extent of even being secure in our traveling to the Senate. Eto na sa loob na ng Senado eh. So, Majority Leader, maybe you should consult the other senators or make the motion and then... so, can we recognize first Senator Estrada?
Thank you, Mr. President. Just an additional
Game.
violation of the elements
Nako.
of the National Bureau of Investigation who chased or who prevented Senator Bato from attending the sessions. I invite the attention of our colleagues in Article 145 of the Revised Penal Code. If I can read it to you. Violation of parliamentary immunity. The penalty of prison mayor shall be imposed upon any person who shall use force, intimidation, threats, or fraud to prevent any member of the National Assembly from attending the meetings of the Assembly, which in this case is the Senate, or any of its committees or subcommittees, constitutional commissions or committees, or divisions thereof, from expressing his opinions and casting his vote. And the penalty of prison correctional shall be imposed upon any public officer or employee who shall, while the Assembly is in regular or special session, arrest or search any member thereof, except in case such member has committed a crime punishable under this code by a penalty higher than prison mayor. That is all, Mr. President.
We take note of that, Senator Estrada, and it's 100% correct. But the reason why the presiding officer has not mentioned administrative and criminal law is because we can ask the Committee on Rules and the Committee on Public Order to have an investigation. No, meaning my immediate concern is the integrity and the safety of the Senate as an institution. It isn't even about Senator Bato. They could be arresting people from the other side of the aisle or other side of the politics here. I would have the same stand that you have to coordinate first, then we have to accept that they have legal authority. If not, you give the senator the opportunity to go to court or, as Senator Marcoleta said, all legal remedies. Wala namang problema po sa legal remedies. If we go to all the precedents, you will see na eventually yung iba nag-surrender din. Pero yung korte ang nag-utos, hindi yung mga law enforcers. So my point is, we will deal with the administrative and criminal liabilities, if any, according to the findings of our committees. But right now, before us is the question of what does the Senate in plenary as a body do to protect itself. And Senator Villanueva suggested holding them in contempt. May I remind everyone that when someone is held in contempt, they are allowed to purge themselves of that contempt by either giving justifiable reason or by apologizing. My information at this point in time, and anyone can correct me if I'm wrong, they are still here and they are still threatening to arrest him here. So, what is the pleasure, Majority Leader?
May I ask for a minute suspension, Mr. President?
Session is suspended.
Hay na mga kabayan, atin hong natunghayan na yung pagiging balahura na ng executive, pati ang Senado pinasok ho nila na para bang bahay nila at hindi ho nila respeto. Yung pagka gusto nila respeto yung tradisyon, pwede. Yung pagrespeto, pwede. Kagaya dito kay Martin Romualdez, respeto lamang yung mga magnanakaw at issue involved sa mga anomalyang flood control project. Pero pagka yung mga senador na kung saan ginawa lamang ang trabaho para maprotektahan ang mga kabataan noong mga panahon itong si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, diyan sa war on drugs na yan, sila hong pinapahirapan ngayong mga panahon to. Maraming salamat to. Mag-ingat to kayo lahat. Mahal natin Pilipinas. Saludo, Sen Bato. Maraming salamat.